Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to take you through the company called Madhusudan Masala Ltd. I'll take you through their business model, their recent results, and their expansion plans, and what are they doing, and what are the challenges that they might face. Okay, so let's get into it. As the name has suggested, they are into manufacturing and sale of spices in India, right? So they are like any other companies like MDH, ITC, which sells masala from turmeric to chili to jeera to coriander to everything. But obviously, the scale at which they do right now is quite small because they are a small and a medium enterprise. They are based out of Gujarat, okay, and they have a strong presence in Saurashtra, Gujarat, Mumbai, and Maharashtra. And they have a manufacturing capacity of around 600,000 metric tons in Jamnagar unit and 600 metric tons in their Rajkot unit. And currently, as per the recent updates from them, the Jamnagar unit is almost utilized 98%, and the Rajkot unit is almost 100% utilized. So, the business that they do, they make money through by selling various kinds of spices in a different way, right? So, first, I'll tell you first, they do branded packaged spices through their brand called Double Hati and Maharaja, right? And these are high margin product where they are concentrating on. And then they do have a volume driven lower margin business where in bulk they trade spices and sell to them. And the last and a very small part of their business are grocery and complementary food products like papad, hing, salt, tea, etc. So those are the areas, right? So that's what all the products that they sell. And when we see their updates, right? So the revenue from their branded products has increased from 47% in FY23 to 70% at the end of December 2026. So this clearly shows that their concentration is to go for to concentrate more on the branded products where the margins are high, right? So let's get into their numbers and how did they do for the Q3 FY26. So the revenue grew by 20% to 76.3 crores from 63.4 crores. And they got a very good operating leverage as their capacity was close to almost 100% utilized. So their profit rose by 104% to 4.7 crores from 2.3 crores last year. And the earning per share has jumped to 3.25 rupees from 1.60 rupees. And as they were able to utilize their capacity quite well, their operating margin improved to 10.8% and their PAT margin almost doubled to 6.2%. So those were their numbers, right? So now let's see what is the management saying about their growth plan, right? So the management is clearly saying that they want to become a pan-India brand. So they just don't want to be in the areas of Gujarat and Mumbai and Maharashtra, but they want to go all over India. And their target as of now is to capture 1% market share of the whole Indian spices industry. Okay. And they are planning to expand in states like Maharashtra Extra, Chandigarh, Punjab, Haryana, UP, Bihar, Jharkhand, Delhi, and Jammu and Kashmir. So that's all these areas they are planning to target and to capture it. And management is so bullish that they have given an expected CAGR of around 30% for the next 3 to 5 years. That's quite a bold statement that they're giving, right? So let's see what are they doing to grow, right? So first of all, they have acquired a company called Vita Green Products Private Limited. So they also manufacture spices and other complementary products. This helps them to grow inorganically and do not have to wait for the new capacity to come into play. So that's the first thing that they have done. And they are doing a greenfield expansion in Jamnagar, where they are planning to set up a facility of almost 2 lakh square feet with the capacity of 6,000 metric tons. And if once that comes into picture, their capacity will almost double from what they have currently right now, right? So the management has said that the expansion plan is going as per what they had decided, but they have not given the exact date. So we have to wait and look how this expansion is going on, and hopefully that there is no delays, right? So these are the things that they're doing to grow faster, right? But obviously, for a small company growing at such a fast pace, obviously there will be challenges, right? From working capital requirements, from the raw material price volatility, And obviously, the one of the main and the biggest challenges that they face is from the competition from large brands like ITC, Everest, and MDH, which are already established and are there all over India, right? So, and the other thing that they need to work upon is their low industry margin, right? So, because they have do some business which are part of bulk trading, which are low margin, so they need to ensure that they almost or they get out of it or reduce the overall contribution from there so that they can concentrate on the higher margin and improve their margin products. And obviously, the last and the final risk which I see is execution risk, because they have given quite aggressive target to grow at 30% CAGR for the next 3 to 5 years. So we need to see how their capacity is coming up, how their distribution is expanding. Okay, see, one thing is very important in such business models, right? No matter how much capacity a company might have, but they if they do not have the distribution model where these spices can go to all, I mean, to all the malls, even to the small grocery stores, right? It There is no point having such a high production capacity. So we need to see how this develops, especially their distribution network, right, all over India. So let's see how do they do, and obviously I'll keep an eye on the business and how they are executing what they have promised. And if they are able to execute what they have done, they can become from from a small medium enterprise to a pan India brand, right? So let's see how well they do. So if you like this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. I'll bringing more such videos about companies which are small but are planning to grow, and at the same time do the analysis of other companies also. Thank you and God bless you.